Today, we're making Kung Pao Chicken, a bold, classic Chinese stir-fry known for its perfect balance of spices. Cut the chicken into bite-sized cubes. Keeping the pieces even helps them cook quickly and stay tender. This simple marinade locks in moisture and creates that silky texture Kung Pao Chicken is famous for.
Fresh garlic, ginger, and green onions form the aromatic base that brings depth and warmth to the dish. This sauce delivers the signature Kung Pao balance: salty, tangy, and slightly sweet. Add the chicken to a hot wok and stir fry until lightly browned. High heat seals in flavor fast. This is where the magic happens. Pour in the sauce and add peanuts. Stir until the chicken is glossy and fully coated. Kung Pao chicken is ready. Spicy, savory, and irresistibly crunchy. Serve hot and enjoy every bite.